Document360 offers a couple of features under the content reuse section that help with dealing with data that are repeated many times throughout your documentation. Variables and snippets are stored as libraries within your project, and you can use them to easily add reusable information to your articles. In this video, we look at how to use snippets within your documentation. A snippet is a predefined set of content blocks that the content manager identifies as reusable content. The content of a snippet can vary from simple text or phrases to lengthy paragraphs, tables, images, and more. Let's create a snippet for a confidentiality clause by going into the Content Tools, Content Reuse, and selecting Snippet. All snippets created in your project will be managed here, and you can edit and delete snippets from here as well. However, to delete a snippet, you will need to clear any dependencies it has within your documentation. You can delete multiple snippets at once by selecting them and clicking Delete. Utilize the search function to easily locate specific snippets, especially when dealing with a lengthy list. Click Create Snippet. The snippet name supports spaces between words, or you can use symbols like hyphen or underscore to separate words. Use the drop-down at the top to configure the snippet at a global level or make it language specific. Use the formatting tools to easily add images and hyperlinks. You can even add code blocks. Now let's go into an article and insert the snippet. There are two methods by which you can add a snippet. The first requires you to know the exact merge code value for a snippet. This approach works well when you either know all the merge codes or use very few in your documentation that you can easily recall. But if your documentation contains a large number of snippets, you can use the Content Reuse button within your editor to find the appropriate snippet. Once we publish it, we can see the content here. We can also insert the snippet as a local copy, which allows us to use just the contents of the snippet but is disconnected from the original. This means that any changes you make here or to the original snippet will not affect each other. This can be useful when you require old information that never changes. In the snippet overview page, you can use the Documents Used function to see where a specific snippet is being used within your documentation. Click the View button and the dependency blade appears on the right with all the articles and category pages this snippet has been used. Expand the selection by clicking the article or category, and you can find information on the article version and language, the team member who inserted this snippet, the status of the article, and when the snippet was created. As you can see, using snippets to handle long-form repetitive data within your project can help you quickly append a lot of information to any article and efficiently manage large-scale changes to your documentation.